In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how to render the fork. Go ahead and watch the how to texture and render a spoon, and it actually will give you a little bit more detail on how I created this setup. But I'm just going to give you a cheat code right off the bat. So go ahead and create your polygon plane or polygon cube for your backdrop. And then in your AI standard shader, right, assign an AI standard shader to this object. So right mouse click and hold, assign new material, Arnold, AI standard surface. Make sure you rename that. So I'll call this yellow _ BG. We're going to go to presets, change this to plastic, go to replace, and then like this yellow mustard color, change the roughness to 0.45, and we're good. Okay, the next thing that you want to do is create two area lights. The first area light I have is at like a 45-degree angle, and it's facing that, well, it's a spoon, like that. It's facing this fork. Okay, my settings for the Arnold, let's see, for the exposure, 9.5. And then for this particular light here, another area light, it's 8.5. And in our final render settings, you want to change the samples to 3. I forgot to say that in the last video towards the end, but yeah, change the samples to 3. And then in your final render settings, all right, this is Arnold render settings. I haven't really gone into adaptive sampling or clamping, but we just keep it as is. So 4 for the camera AA, 3 for the diffuse, 4 specular, 2 transmission, 2 subsurface scatterings, and then 2 for the volume indirect. And I have a camera already set up at the angle I want it to look like. And this is my perspective. So with those 2 lights set up, our cameras set up where they need to be, we'll go ahead and give ourselves a render. Okay, so this is the final render. It took about 3 minutes, 2 minutes, 58 seconds, so 3 minutes roughly to create this quality. And I'm happy with it. I like the vignetting. It's kind of the flavor I was going for. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, comments, please feel free to drop it in the comment section. Let me know what you guys like, what you didn't like. If there's any tutorials that you would like to see in the future, let me know what's up. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next tutorial where I'll teach you how to render and light the butter knife. All right, guys. God bless you. Peace.